Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Google account password. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Google account and then select your profile icon at the top right and then select the Manage My Account button. And then you'll come into a page that looks like this, and you would select the option on the left side that says Personal Info. So then just scroll down on this page until you get to the password section. And then where it says last changed, it'll tell you right in here. Click inside this field. It'll prompt you to enter in your current password, and then you'll have the ability to add or change your password. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.